Hi, my name is Kevin Marks, manager member of A1 Floors. I'd like to take a moment to introduce our company to you. A1 Floors was founded just over 3.5 years ago. We are a local family-owned and operated business with over dozens of years of experience prior. A1 Floors' mission then and remains today is to provide quality product, professional installation at a fair and honorable price. Quality for less. Additionally, we've developed and created a great in-home shop-at-home experience. You give us a call, we'll schedule a free estimate in your home. We'll provide you with a 2-hour arrival window. We'll even call you 30 minutes before arrival. Once we get there, we'll have samples for you to take a look at in the environment where that flooring is going to be laid. We'll go over your goals, your objectives, assess, answer questions, offer you options. We'll measure, we'll give you a full, complete, accurate, fair, and honorable price during that very appointment. If it all makes sense to you, we can even schedule your installation during the very same appointment. Our installation process is a hands-free experience. All our craftsmen are fully vetted, local to the area. They are background checked, drug tested, and certified in whatever flooring they do. We offer you a complete hands-free experience where we're going to come in. We're going to take up all your existing flooring. We'll move your furniture. We're going to lay down the flooring that you've chosen. We're going to clean up after we're done, remove the debris, haul that away, and put a smile on your face. A1 Floors for all your flooring needs. Please give us a call. I promise you won't be disappointed. 919-921-8500 or check us out on our website, a1floorsnc.com.